Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will study Unit 1, Number and Problem Solving. So, open up page number 6 and let's get started. Look at the bottom right of your page and you can see the key words. Today, we will learn about these key words. First of all, let us review what does one-digit number mean. A number which is composed of only one digit is called one-digit number. For example, 0 to 9. 0 is the smallest one-digit number and 9 is the largest one-digit number. You can see this is only a single digit. There is nothing else with it. So this is only one digit number. Now let's come to our today's topic. First one, which is two-digit number. A number composed of two digits is called two-digit number. For example, 10 to 99. Here you can see the number 10 has 1 and 0 and 99 has 9 and another 9. These are two digits. So numbers from 10 to 99 are two-digit numbers. 10 is the smallest two-digit number and 99 is the largest two-digit number. Now, let's talk about tens. Counting with difference of 10. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40. Here, counting with difference of 10 means that you count after 10 like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So there are how many digits? 10 digits between 10 and 20. Let's look at another example. Now count with me from 5 to 15. We will count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now do you get what tens is? And counting with the difference of 10? Now let's talk about ones. Continuous counting with difference of 1. Here you just need to go with the one difference. For example, after 1 obviously 2 comes. It means that there is only the difference of one number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the continuous counting with difference of 1. Now let's see what are backward countings. How do we count backward? Look at this chart. Backward counting means going in the backward direction. For example, counting from 10 till 1. Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we counted backward from 10 to 1. Let's do it once more with 30 till 21. Count with me. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, and 21. Very good. Now let's talk about odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Here is a chart given about odd numbers from 1 to 100. Now look at the numbers carefully like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These numbers are called odd numbers. So whenever in two digit you see 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, it means that all of them are odd numbers. Now let's come to even numbers. Let's look at this chart and the numbers. All the odd numbers are not here. Can you see that? So the numbers here are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. These are even numbers. So whenever you see 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 at the end of a two-digit number, it means that it is an even number. Now that we are done with our topic, let's come to the exercise. You can look at the picture above and then answer the questions. Let's do it together. For example, the first question is, what numbers are on football shirts? Look at the shirts and see what numbers are there. There are 10, 12, 16, 23, 34, 37, 48, 51, 69, and 91. Now, the second question is, count the objects you can see. Now, try to do it yourself. Can you see how many objects are there? Try to answer it yourself. The third question is, how many football boots can you see? Now, there are 22 players and each player has 2 legs. So, you will count all the legs of the 22 players, which means you will multiply 22 with 2. So, there will be 44 football boots. Try count them and see whether there are 44 or not. Okay, now count them in twos. This means that you have to use the table of 2 like 2, 4, 6, 8. Just like we did ones and tens, you will make the difference of twos. Like for example, after 2 we have 3 and 4, right? Then after 4 we have 5 and 6. So we are counting in twos. Just like we did with tens and ones. Now the next question is, find two even numbers which are same. Look at the picture and see how many numbers are the same. We have to look for the even numbers like 10, 12, 16, 34, 48, and 76 are same numbers in the picture. Now let's come to the last question, which is, can you see any odd numbers? What are odd numbers? Like 1, 3, 5, 7.